that one of the first benefits that I reach for when I tell a provider to, reach for a dose of progesterone or help a woman with perimenopause or menopause, or even some of the girls that need help with cycling, is progesterone helps with your sleep pattern. And if you are not sleeping, you do not repair your body when you sleep at night, and your cortisol levels obviously are going to go off. So that in itself is prevention of inflammation, of exhaustion, and being tired. So if I can get somebody, or we can get somebody to have a better sleep pattern, which is a huge function of progesterone, because when it gets into the brain, it changes into L-pregnolone, and that helps us stay in our sleep cycle longer and keep our REM in a healthy place. And sleep trumps everything, folks, everything. If you aren't sleeping well, you've got problems, and they're only going to compound as we go along.
Nothing is going to get better if you're not sleeping better. It doesn't matter how well you eat. It doesn't matter how much you exercise. Things are going to get worse. And by the way, if you're not sleeping well, you don't lack Ambien. You don't lack some benzodiazepine or some of the latest and greatest drugs. I don't even know the latest and greatest drugs because I don't think they are necessary. Maybe very, very, very short term. But in general, I would never recommend a medication to help somebody sleep long term. There are just other issues to fix if you're not sleeping. And progesterone can be one of them. We see it all the time in women approaching menopause, how they can't sleep. And what do they do? What do the doctors do? Oh, you're not sleeping. Oh, your cycle started becoming more irregular. Well, you must need Ambien. We'll give you Ambien 10 milligrams every night so you can sleep better. Wait a minute. Again, if something is following your cycle, I don't care what it is. I don't care if it's headaches. I don't care if it's irregular menses. I don't care if your cycles are becoming non-existent. PMS, you're not sleeping around your cycles. If anything is affecting your cycles, progesterone. You don't need some fancy headache medication. You probably need progesterone. We have seen this over and over and over again.